Quick tutorial, running the reliability monitor to diagnose blue screen errors. Introduction. The reliability monitor is a helpful Windows tool that can provide insights into why a blue screen error, BSOD, might have occurred. Although it may not always pinpoint the exact cause, it offers useful details about events leading up to the error, making it easier to troubleshoot. Steps to run the reliability monitor. 1. Open the Run dialog. Right-click on the Start button. Select Run. 2. Access Control Panel. Type Control and click OK. This opens the Legacy Control Panel. 3. Navigate to Security and Maintenance. Click on System and Security. Select Security and Maintenance. 4. View Reliability History. Expand the Maintenance section. Click on View Reliability History to open the Reliability Monitor. 5. Analyze the Reliability Monitor. If the Reliability Monitor displays a graph showing system stability over time, look for critical events, warnings, and informational events to determine when issues occurred. Click on specific events to view technical details which may help identify the cause of the blue screen error, often labeled as a bug check. Note, the Reliability Monitor is a great tool for understanding what might have happened around the time of an issue, helping you investigate further and identify patterns.